So this is a walkthrough of room 23201 at Park MGM. It's a staywell room. Now, you may remember I stayed in a staywell room at MGM Grand some years ago with Suzanne, and I loved the room, but I didn't like the bed. Now, thankfully, this bed isn't as hard as the one at MGM. First thing I tried when I came in. And also, normally, I mean, whenever I stay at Park MGM, I always stay at Nomad. If you look at all of my videos, you know my thoughts on Nomad. I love it in there, and I think they're really quirky sort of rooms, but in a very good way. So yeah, I was quite surprised at this walk-in dresser here when I first checked in. I thought this was closed, and I couldn't work out where the safe was, and I thought, oh god, there's another door there. I opened it, and there it was. All the artwork is pretty much identical to Nomad, really, all different and pretty cool. Here, that's literally just storage space. There's nothing in that, and obviously all your chargeable minibar items. And you walk into the main room. Nice big telly, decent couch, and bathroom here. Nice mirror there. Apparently the light is energizing light, whatever that means. Your toilet's in here. And then you've got this diffuser shower, which I will try shortly. I can't recall whether I'd ever tried it at MGM when we were there, or whether I showered back in the other hotel, because we double booked that as well at the time. And so, sitting area there, another telly there, and again, bed looks nice. Now what you do have here is you have an aromatherapy unit there. I mean, there is a very nice smell in here. I'm sure I'll tarnish it with my beer breath later. And you have a air purification unit there as well. So that is pretty much it, and I'll just show you the view, which is of Cosmo there, plus Aria, of course, and then the Park MGM pool set up at the bottom, so not too bad, not too bad. Now I got this on a M-Life comp. As you know, I'm Gold M-Life. I could have had up to 4 nights free, no resort fees, 300 resort credit, which I've got just for tonight, or until I check out tomorrow anyway. That's some ask for me to try and spend that, but I'm going to give it a go. Starting in about 10 minutes, I'm going to get something to eat, and $175 in free play. So we're going to be gambling at MGM properties tonight, so we'll see how it goes. But yes, pretty impressed with this room. It remains to be seen how well I sleep on the bed, but as I said, I did lay on it, and it didn't seem as bad as the MGM one, so we will give it a go. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.